Hi ladies and gents. Today we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit something different of our videos from video games and stuff. We're gonna go ahead and take a break and do a little bit of math videos. So we're gonna go ahead and write dividing so this is gonna be dividing decimals. And if a decimal is in the house, raise it to the roof. So I'm going to go ahead and go to your notes, and I'm going to write my table of contents. And I wrote dividing decimals, which is going to be page 19. And go ahead and pause the video so you can go ahead and glue that paper on and make sure you go ahead and fold it. If this video is going too fast, feel free to pause it and play it when you get a chance. So, what we have right here is dividing decimals. And we're going to go ahead and do this example right here. So, what I did was I did 0.75 divided by 5. And so here's how I did it. I put it like 0.75 divided by 5. And here's the tricky part. And that's easy. You don't have to do this in multiplication. You can put the decimal point up because that's the easiest part. And then you go ahead and divide. So 0 can't go into 5, so I move on to the 7. 7 divided by 5 would be 1 without going over. 1 times 5 is 5 minus 7. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Bring down the 5. 25 times 5 is 5. And so my answer is 0.15. So I want you to try this problem right here on your own. Pause the video and try this on your own. Okay, let's go ahead and check. So you did this right. So I'm gonna do 1.38 divided by 6. And we put up the decimal point right here. And then 6 can't go into 1, so I move on to the 13. I know that 6 times 2 equals 12, excuse me. So I'm going to write that down and minus it. And you do not have to put the decimal to your minusing. So 1 and 18, 6 times 3 is 18, and remainder 0. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. 0.96. Okay, so we're going to do that one. 0.96. Okay, now we're going to put down the 8. 0 can't go into 8. So I move on to the 9. 8 and minus 16. 16 divided by 8 would be 2. And 2 times 8 equals 16. That's going to be our answer. And make sure you put down the zeros. All right. Now, this kind of part is going to be a little bit tricky than what you did last year. So, let's do this. 1.75 and 5. So I move, 1 can't go into 5, so I move on to the 17. I know that 5 times 3 equals 15, but 5 times 6 equals 5 times 4 equals 20. So I'm going to write 3 right here. And then I'm going to put the 15 down here. And I'm going to put my decimal point. 2, bring down the 5, and 5, 25 minus 25 is 0. All right, last one. Okay, so we're going to go to 312 times divided by 12. So 0 and 3 can't go in, so I look in the 31. And 12 times 3 equals 36, which is over. So I'm going to write the 2 because 12 times 2 equals 24. Then I'm going to do the subtracting. 11 minus 4 is 7. And bring in 2. Then 6 times 12 equals 72 and 0. All right. Make sure you guys glue in your notes. I will see you later on my next video. Have a great day.